If you're over 50 and thinking about starting a strength training program, you're making a great decision for your health, energy, and overall quality of life. In this video, we'll break down why strength training is so important as we age, how to start your strength training program safely and effectively, and some simple, effective strength training exercises that can be done at home with minimal equipment to help you stay strong, independent, and feeling great every day. Let's dive in. As we get older, we naturally start to lose muscle through a process called sarcopenia. In fact, after age 50, we can lose about 3 to 5% of our muscle mass per decade if we're not actively working to maintain it. But here's the good news. Strength training can slow, stop, and even reverse this process. What's up, guys? I'm Dave Durrell, and welcome to Strength After 50. This channel is all about helping people over 50 stay strong and live full, active lives. Now that we know why strength training is so important for those of us over 50, let's talk about how to get started the right way, safely and effectively. Whether you're brand new to exercise or getting back into it after a long break, this video will give you the foundation you need. The first thing you should always do before strength training is warm up. A good warm up gets your muscles and joints ready, reducing the risk of injury. Focus on dynamic, rhythmic movements that involve your whole body. Walking, marching in place, or step-ups will accomplish this goal. These activities get the blood flowing and loosen up your joints, preparing you for the strength training to follow. Keep your warm-up to about 3 to 5 minutes and make sure not to turn your warm-up into a workout of its own. Now that you know how to get started, let's go over some simple and effective strength training exercises designed specifically for beginners over 50. These movements will help you build strength and feel more confident in your everyday activities, all with minimal equipment and maximum results. These exercises and many more are included in my Strength After 50 home workout program. To learn more, click the link in the description below the video. Exercise number 1 is squats. Squats are one of the best exercises for strength training over 50 because they build leg strength and improve mobility, making all your activities of daily living much easier. To perform the squat, stand with your feet about hip width apart. Slowly lower yourself down as if you're sitting into a chair, keeping your chest up and your knees in line with your toes. Lower and lift yourself smoothly under full muscular control with no bouncing. If you need extra support for balance, you can hold on to the back of a chair as you perform the squats. Shoot for 8 to 15 reps with perfect form. Next, we'll move on to an upper body push with a beginner-friendly version of the push-up called counter push-ups. These will strengthen your arms, shoulders, and chest muscles without putting too much strain on your joints. Place your hands on the edge of a counter about shoulder width apart and slowly lower your chest towards the counter. Push back up in a controlled fashion. Keep the reps slow and smooth, about 4 seconds for the lowering and about 2 seconds for the lifting. If this feels too easy, you can move on to regular push-ups. With regular push-ups, if you have 2 dumbbells you can hold or a set of push-up bars, that will be much easier on your wrists. Start with doing just as many as you can and work up to 8 to 15 reps. Next, we're going to strengthen the back and improve posture with dumbbell rows. If you spend a lot of time sitting, this exercise is a must. By bending your left elbow and right knee, carefully lift the dumbbell off the floor with your right hand. Keeping your back flat throughout the exercise, pull the dumbbell up, lifting the elbow as high as possible and touching your right hand to your ribs in 2 seconds. Pause in the top position for 1 second. Then slowly lower to the start position in 4 seconds. When finished, carefully repeat your initial steps to place the dumbbell back on the floor, and switch positions to exercise your left side. Strong abdominal muscles are essential for balance, posture, and preventing injuries. To work the abdominal muscles, we'll include seated knee lifts in your routine. Sit at the edge of a chair and lean back into the back of the chair. Extend your knees, then raise your knees towards your chest in a smooth motion. Pause for 1 second, and then lower back down until your knees are straight and feet off the floor. If this is too difficult, you can do it one leg at a time. Shoot for 8 to 15 reps. Last but not least, we'll strengthen your calf muscles and bolster the muscles around your ankles with heel raises. Strong calves and ankles help with walking, climbing stairs, and preventing falls. Place the balls of your feet on the edge of a stair step or fitness step. Steady yourself by lightly placing a hand on the wall in front of you at shoulder height, or on a side wall or railing if using a stair step. Keeping your back straight, lower your heels until you feel a stretch in 4 seconds. Smoothly change direction, then point your toes, rising up on your tiptoes in 2 seconds. Squeeze the calf muscles in the top position for 1 second. Then smoothly change direction and repeat. This exercise can be performed with one leg at a time for intermediate trainees, or one leg at a time holding a dumbbell on the same side as the exercising leg for advanced trainees. For beginners over 50, I recommend starting with 2 strength training sessions per week. That gives your muscles enough time to recover while still building strength. You can add walking, yoga, or other activities on your off days to keep moving. Now that you have 5 simple and effective exercises for over 50 strength training beginners, here's how to put them into a routine. Perform each exercise for 8 to 15 reps. Take as much rest as you need between exercises. Write down what you did and try to do a little more next time. Train 2 times per week with at least 2 days in between workouts. And remember, start slow, focus on good form, and listen to your body. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is not progressing their workouts. As you get stronger, you have to increase the resistance you're working against. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. Here's a simple way to progress safely. Start with the body weight exercises. When you can achieve more than 15 reps, add dumbbells for resistance or change the exercise to make it harder. Write down what you did and try to do more next time. Every small improvement, like doing just 1 more rep, is a sign of progress. Speaking of progress, keeping track of your workouts is a great way to stay motivated. You can use a workout card or a simple notebook to record which exercises you did, how many reps you completed, and notes on how you felt during and after the workout. Seeing your improvements over time can be incredibly rewarding. The key to success is good form and consistency. Don't rush through the exercises. Focus on slow, controlled movements. It's better to do fewer reps with proper form than rush and risk an injury. And remember, go at your own pace. If you only do a few reps, that's okay. Over time, your strength will improve and you'll be able to do more. By following this simple routine and staying consistent, you'll build strength and confidence as you age, make everyday activities easier and more enjoyable, and enjoy long-term success in your over 50 strength training journey. To learn more about how to stay strong and fit over 50 without getting hurt or wasting time, check out the links in the description below the video.